Isn't Silent Night one of the favorite Christmas songs of everyone? So why not learn how to play it on the violin today? This version is perfect for a beginner player. So maybe it's just right for you if you've just been starting to play the violin and want to already play something beautiful. I really hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Good luck! Thank you so much for joining me and learning this tune. I really hope that it will make your Christmas a little bit brighter. And just keep practicing and go slowly, and soon you will learn how to play this tune. Also, make sure to comment below how it is going so far, your violin journey. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this. Enjoy your Christmas time!